In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and conveniently implement integrated modeling of PCB and connectors. We will use Xpeedic's Hermes platform to go through the whole process. Import, cutout, and rapidly convert PCB design files into 3D model. Import connector models into 3D window. Integrated modeling of PCB and connector models. Add ports and simulation. In the Hermes layout process, import PCB design files. Select rectangular cutting. Select the cutting area in the layout. After cutting, switch to 3D model with one click. Hermes can seamlessly convert the 3D structure, materials, and boundary conditions of the layout model. After model conversion, you can hide the dielectric layer with one click. Import SAT format connector models. Frame selection connector model. Choose copy and move. Snap the connectors and PCB joints to automatically complete the model connection. Rotate to a suitable view. Frame selection connector. Rotate the body 180 degrees along the Z-axis. Select the connector again. Using the move operation, position the connectors and PCB separately to automatically complete the electrical connection between the two models. Complete the modeling of the connectors. Select the snap face operation. Choose the move face operation for the top layer of the radiation boundary airbox to align the top face with the connector ports. At this point, the modeling of the 3D model structure is complete. Right-click on Net and select Auto Recognize Conductor Network. Configure wave ports for connectors, and the software can automatically recognize the reference conductor network. Add electromagnetic field simulation configuration. Right-click to simulate, completing the joint model electromagnetic field solution for PCB and connectors. Xpeedic's Hermes platform enables finite element algorithm-based solutions for three-dimensional electromagnetic fields for any 3D structural model. In this video, we first import and slice the layout files using Hermes layout process. Then, with a single click, we transition to the 3D process to perform joint model editing and modeling of connectors, achieving rapid electromagnetic field simulation analysis.